Here is a quick one, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video I'm going to show you the cards that you'll be needing to buy for this hamster, because this hamster is a very promising project on Telegram and is going to be launching very soon. So if you've not started this hamster, just do it to click the link in the description and start your hamster. So now I'm going to log into my hamster right now and show you the very cards that you need to buy, because Hamster, they've said it on several occasions on their social media platforms, including their YouTube channel, that they will be using profit per hour and other parameters. So the likely parameters that they are going to be using now is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So just stay tuned and watch. So I'm going to be patient until it loads. Okay. So this is right here. This is what my passive income has mined for me. So now what you have to do is you click on this point. Is mine. Okay, the thing is still loading. All right, so now you click on this is mine down. So you click mine. When you click on this mine, it's going to bring out several cards. As you can see, this is daily combo. So now what you have to do, you buy as many cards as possible. Make sure that these your cards are in at least level 15, so you have advantage. But now there are other important cards that you need to buy. You see these cards that have time limits in them. For example, this one. If I buy this card now, you see something like time. As you can see, you see time limit. But now, Hamster Kombat, they've introduced several new cards. You can see other cards in market. But then the main cards I'm talking about, you can find them in legal. There is a new card which they released today. So, and this is a crazy card, guys. As you can see, I'm getting 10k per hour for just 827,402 coins. This is very interesting, guys. So just make sure you buy all these coins. Don't leave anyone out of it, so you have a chance of earning big when they start their airdrop. As you can see, these ones have not unlocked them. So once I get one more referral, I'm going to unlock these cards. So make sure you buy all these cards in legal, and then go to special. When you go to special, you buy all the cards in special. Don't miss any card. Go to new cards. Make sure you don't miss any card. So I've not unlocked these ones, but once I unlock them, I'll buy them. So now I'm going to buy these cards. As you can see, this is what I'm getting. I'll buy this one now. So just make sure you're buying other cards, all the cards, and don't miss out on any card, as this will count in your airdrop. And do well to increase your profit per hour. That's very important. That's very important. So as you can see, this is my coin balance. This is my profit per hour. I'm earning 1.389 mil per hour. So just do well to cards your profit. These are my cards. And now for those that are not buying things that are not giving you anything, like this Joe Rogan cards, all important. They are all important. Don't neglect them. These cards, even though they are not giving you any profit per hour, make sure you buy them. They are very important. They are very important, as some of them might serve as NFT. If you check from before they bring out this card, they'll post it on the platform. Do you want to add this to your collection? And that word collection is always linked to NFTs. So I don't know whether you guys know what NFT is. NFT is just like a token. It's like a token. that you can trade for money. So that's just it. I'm going to be updating you guys on several other airdrops that are available, but do well to stay tuned and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in my next video.